Hi guys, just showing you what I've got today from Aldi for $100. Aldi runs specials every week and Super Saver starts usually on the Wednesday. So it started today, 31st July to the 6th of August. So what I bought was definitely the mushroom, of course. I bought that. I bought some cucumbers. I didn't get any tomatoes today, but I did get some sweet potatoes. They were $1.99 this week. Blueberries are all gone because. So first off, I bought these Aldi Protect and Clean Hospital grade disinfectant we're using for mopping the floor. The flip out a medium and a large bean bags. So, but these ones are scented and I like them because they are white, and so that goes with everything. So this is the large one, and this is the small one. Okay, we're moving on to some bread. So this is very self-explanatory. This is a raisin toast. I believe this is $1.99. So this one's spinach, baby spinach. I use this to my salad and sometimes in my cooking pasta as well. This week the mushroom was on special. I think they're $1.50 or something, so I bought, this is a 200 grams, so I bought two, and this one as well here. As always, we need carrots in the house. I use this for cooking, but mostly my children and my husband likes to just have these carrots as a snack. This was also on special. These are sweet potatoes, so I bought two. What I'll do with a sweet potato, I just quickly roast them, or just do like a French fries or like a chips, sweet potato chips. So let me know if you have any idea what you do with your sweet potato. But for me, I generally roast them, oven roast them. Broccoli head. So it was on special as well. I think there were $2 and something. So I got one of those. I will use these for stir fries. I've got only 2 cucumbers this week. The cucumbers are a little bit pricey this week. They're about, I think about $4 something a kilo. So I'm only just gonna have 2. I'm gonna wait for the prices to go down a little bit and I'll buy some more. And I bought this baby corn packs. They're in a pack of 4, and they're just little corn in a can, just perfect for lunches or just a snack here in the house. So baked beans, I love baked beans. Who doesn't like baked beans? So tell me if you don't like baked beans, but my family loves baked beans. This is really good. They were like $2 something for 3, I believe. And I thought I'd try this one. I'm not sure if you guys have tasted these smoke. It's like sardines, but they call it Riga Sprats. Hopefully they're good. I'll let you know if they're not. And these are my favorites. So we love tuna here. So I've got 2 of each flavors. We do have I love the lemon and pepper, 2 of those. This is a Mexican salsa, 2 of those, and I've got 4 of this chili and onion, which I always love to have with just a slice of bread, or with my salads. So I bought jasmine rice. This is a kilo, about $3 something, so that's very self-explanatory. And my daughters love to have some beef noodles. This is a packet of 5 of these rolled oats, and I put some fresh fruit with it, and I put them in the fridge overnight with the milk. So if you want to see to find out how I make my overnight oats using rolled oats and some fresh fruits or dried fruits, let me know and comment below, and I might show you how to do them maybe in my next videos. Yeah, so, and with my rolled oats, I'd like to put some organic goji berries as well as on my smoothies. So these are not really cheap at Aldi. They are about almost $6, I think, for 150 grams. So if you know a place where I can buy them a bit cheaper, let me know. But I also like to put some black chia seeds, and sometimes on my salad, and sometimes I put black chia seed. Of course, when I make my chia seed pudding, they are really good and yummy, and not to mention they're really, really good for you. We haven't tasted this. This was my husband's request to buy a protein bar. So we'll see how this goes, if he likes it or not. See, well, I like a strong cappuccino. They're very cheap at Aldi. They're $3 for a pack of 10. I like to have them once in a while, although I have a coffee machine that I use every single day, but sometimes I just want a quick coffee break, you know what I mean, just a quick one. I don't have to wash anything, and yeah, this is the one that I use. Now for cakes, now I do like to make my own cakes, but also just in case of emergency and someone comes over and I don't have enough ingredients, so it's always good to have a backup. So I love the Devil's Food Super Moist Chocolate Mix at Aldi, and they're really so yum. So if you want me to show you how I make my Devil's Food Super Moist Chocolate Cake, let me know, comment below, and maybe one day I will make a video, just a quick video on how I bake these cakes and decorate them. So moving on to our dairies, I bought natural yogurt. This is a light Greek yogurt. I use them a lot in my cakes, so I do make cakes or muffins with yogurt in it instead of full cream milk. And also I use Greek style yogurt in my salad dressings, sometimes in my overnight oats, and also just on quick dips. So if I do like cucumber dips or, you know, carrot and celery dips, I use a Greek yogurt. They're so yum. You just put a bit of salt and mint and you're good to go. Of course, we have 3 liter milk. I usually buy 2 of these, but today I still got something in the fridge, so I only buy 3 liters of milk. I might buy in the next 2 days. And also I bought free range eggs. I always buy free range eggs, and I'm very conscious on that. If ever myself or my husband have accidentally picked up the wrong eggs, I will go back to the shop and actually exchange the eggs. Of course, we can't have a week without a spaghetti or anything with pasta during the week for a quick meal. So I've got the bolognese pasta sauce, which I plan to have it with some ravioli. Tonight, I'm gonna make ravioli tonight, and these mostly just for a snack for my toddler, and they just like it boiled as it is without the sauce. So, and then I bought 2 of these ravioli, cheese and spinach ravioli, which is just quickly put them in the pan and put the bolognese sauce on it. So I'll put 2, and hubby can take them to work as well for lunches. And these brioche rolls are my daughter's favorite. They are really good. Actually, I learned to like them as well. They're chocolate. I have cheap brioche rolls, as you can see. They're so yum. Thin crispy crackers. They actually come in little packs, so they're good for school lunches or just a quick snack in the house. But these are mainly for my little ones because they like to snack, especially when we're on the go, we're in the car, or we're going out, or with school lunches. So they look like that. And lastly, we have this one. She's favorite rice crackers. They're really good for a snack. So I think that's all I have. It's a bit messy. I need to pack up, and it's already 9 o'clock. So guys, I really have to end my shopping haul vlog tonight by saying thank you so much for watching, for subscribing to my channel, and just spread the love. Thanks guys. Bye.